This is a Johnson University online tutorial. This tutorial will illustrate how to access and submit assignments in Sakai. Assignments in Sakai is a tool used by instructors to electronically communicate and collect student work, typically a written document. Assignments in a broader sense refers to a particular task or often a learning activity or experience which students are required to complete as part of a course of study. This tutorial addresses the use of Sakai's assignment tool, which allows instructors to create, distribute, collect, return, and grade assignments electronically. Assignments provides a means for students to upload or enter, submit, gain feedback and grade information on electronically submitted assignments, and may even be sent through an electronic originality detection service. Assignments are typically included within the course structure, that is, within each of the learning units, alongside unit content, like what you see here. You can alternatively access assignments by clicking on Assignments in the left-hand course navigation area. Here's a general overview of the process. To begin an assignment, click the link next to the pen and paper icon appearing near the assignment title. Once on the assignment page, you can see the assignment detail, including title, due date, status, grade scale, and specific information about the assignment itself. Follow the directions to complete the assignment, which may require you to upload a file and/or enter content into a text box prior to submission. If you're required to upload a text document or attachment, be sure it follows the instructor prescribed format or file type, typically Microsoft Word. Attachment file size must not exceed 20 megabytes. Be sure to read and follow assignment directions carefully. If you're entering content into the assignment text box, be sure to save frequently. Click Save Draft. Or create your content offline, such as in Microsoft Word, and paste it accordingly. If you have questions about the assignment, check with your course instructor using Messages. Some assignment directions will ask you to agree to an honor pledge, indicating you've neither given or received aid on this assignment. Be sure to do so where indicated. Be sure to click Submit when you're done with your assignment. Once you've submitted an assignment, you can get a submission confirmation on the screen, indicating details of your assignment submission. You will also receive an email confirmation showing the same information. If you go to submit an assignment and you get an error message indicating the close date of the assignment has passed, you can no longer submit an answer. The assignment close date has passed, and submissions for the assignment in Sakai are no longer accepted. You may want to check with your instructor using Messages, or check the course instructor regarding late assignment policy. Once an assignment has been submitted, you can check the status of the submission by going directly to Assignments for the course in question. Here you can see the assignment status: not started, submitted, draft in progress, returned, or resubmitted. Assignments may be returned to you for additional work or rework and resubmission. If an instructor has left comments for you in a returned assignment, you can see them in the comments area after clicking on the link of the returned assignment in the assignment list. To resubmit an assignment, follow the same steps you would to submit an assignment initially, only click on the Resubmit button instead. Resubmission of assignments depends on the course and/or instructor policies. To return to an assignment you've started working on, go to Assignments in the course and click on the appropriate entry in the assignment list. Now that we've done an overview of the assignment basics, let's walk through the whole process of starting, submitting, and resubmitting an assignment in Sakai from a student's perspective. This example will demonstrate submission of an assignment that's also being reviewed for originality. First, I see that at the end of this learning unit, I'm required to submit a research paper. Here I can see details about what the research paper should include. I can also see where the instructor has left instructions about how to turn in or submit the assignment. Next, by clicking on the link Research Paper, I'm taken to the Assignment in Progress page. In Progress simply indicates I've just now clicked on it and may begin working on the assignment. Here I can see further detail about the assignment, which may be identical to what appeared in the learning unit itself. The instructor has indicated that I should submit my assignment as a Microsoft Word file. For this particular assignment, I'm only permitted to upload one file. No text edit window appears. Now, since I've worked offline and have saved my paper as a Microsoft Word file, I'll click the Choose File button and select the completed file I've worked on. Once I've chosen the appropriate file, I'll see it appear in an Attachments area, along with file size and date detail, as well as an option to remove the file if I've chosen the wrong one. I'm certain that this is the file I want to submit, so I'll click on the Submit button. Now that I've submitted the document, I get verification on the screen that my submission was successful. I also receive notification in an email to my Johnson University email address from Sakai. Later, I can see that the instructor has returned the paper back to me by looking at the entries in the assignments list. I can review the instructor's comments and update the document accordingly to submit my final revision. Some instructors will provide comments directly in a file, or may simply provide comment about the file. In this case, the instructor has provided comments about the file and returned a copy of the document to me to revise. Finally, I've completed the updates to my paper. I can go back to the assignment and submit my revision. This can be done by going directly to the assignments list or to where the assignment appears in the learning unit. I first need to remove my initial submission by clicking the Remove link. Now I'll click on Choose File to choose my revised document to submit. Once selected, I'll click Resubmit. Again, I'll get confirmation that I've submitted the assignment, both on screen and in my email. The assignment list will also indicate that I've just resubmitted the assignment. For some assignments, the instructor may select options to have your document sent through an originality checking service, which you may be given access to at the instructor's discretion. If the assignment requires the document submitted, to use the originality checking service, there's no additional steps needed to take other than to submit the assignment as described earlier in this tutorial. If granted access to the originality report, you can access it in the assignments list for the assignment in question. Reports typically take 20 minutes to appear from time of submission. You can also get to the report by logging into turnitin.com using the username and password sent from Turnitin to your Johnson University email. To review, access assignments in Sakai within each of the learning units, or by going to Assignments in the left-hand course navigation area and click on the appropriate assignment entry. Be sure to follow the directions in the course syllabus and/or the assignment detail to complete assignments successfully. If you're unsure about an assignment, use messages to check with the course instructor before starting it. To view assignment status, click Assignments in the left-hand course navigation area. For help with logging in, or if you're having issues getting into Sakai, you can contact the help desk using any of the following methods. If you have questions about an assignment, contact the course instructor.